Good morning, class. How was your weekend, class? Great, mine too. Hope you had an awesome Memorial Day. We got some nice weather. The sun came out for us. Awesome stuff. Real quick, few important shout outs. One, happy birthday, Peyton T. Hope it's the best one ever. You're doing an amazing job. You're an amazing kid. Miss you. Two, shout out Mr. Carey's class. 100% math completion last week. First time we've done that. Every single person, every single assignment, boom. Let's make it our goal this week. Both classes, 100%. That would be awesome, and that would really make me feel good. Super easy lesson today. Today we're just going to be comparing fractions with the same denominator. It's quite easy. Once you understand the concept of it, quite easy. Okay, let's start off with our skips, yeah? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now we don't count anymore. 33, 36, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we have 44, 48, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 8 and 8 are 16, 24 and 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72, 80, 88, 96, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. And 12s, I guess it's going to have to go out to the birthday girl today. Let's go 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 32 here, 144 there. Here's 12, there's 12. Now we know what times 12 old me. How to farm. E-I-E-I-O. All right, guys, real simple. Today we're talking about fractions with the same denominator, and we're going to compare them, like the greater than, less than, equal thing. Remember when you're in first grade and you guys were doing like the alligator mouth eats the bigger number? Same idea, right? So imagine this. I have polar bear. Imagine this is a grilled cheese, right? And I cut my grilled cheese in half. And I make 2 grilled cheeses, but so I cut both grilled cheeses in half. And so Pam has her grilled cheese, and she eats 1 half, right? So she eats 1 out of 2. And I eat my grilled cheese, and I eat 2 halves. Like I eat the whole thing. Who ate more? Well, me. Because 2 halves would be more than 1 half. They're both halves, so I would have more, okay? Or think about your pizza, right? So if your family ordered a pizza is 8 slices, right? So say in my family we ordered a pizza and Pam had 1 piece, so 1/8. Carter had 2/8. I had 3/8. And Boston had 1/8. Who had the most? Well, it would have to be, I forgot who I said had the most. I think I said Carter. Whoever had 3/8, because they're all 8s, so it'd be 3 out of 8 would be the most number. So basically what we're looking for is if the fraction has the same denominator, we're just looking for the one that has the most in the numerator or top number. Check it out. Let me show you. Piece of cake, all right? So imagine I have this picture here, and I got fourths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, right? So if I have 2/4, or I have 3/4, well, what's more? Well, it would have to be 3/4. They're both fourths, and 3 is bigger than 2, right? Or if I have 1/4 or 4/4, well, that's 1/4, and 4/4 would be all of them. So obviously 4/4 would have to be bigger, okay? Or what if I turned my fourths here? Oh, get out. Nope. Oh, I just pulled my marker out of the thing. Yikes. Okay, so say I turned my fourths and I wanted to turn it into eighths, okay? Now my fourths are eighths. So what's bigger, 3/8 or 5/8? Well, here's 3/8, 1, 2, 3. And then 5/8 would be 4, 5/8, so 5/8 would be larger. Or what's, you don't even need a picture, 2/8 or a 6/8. Well, that's 2/8, and this would be 2, 4, 6/8, so 6/8 would definitely be bigger, okay? Now, I'm gonna send you guys this chart again, and you can use it so if you're comparing them like sixths, so you want to say 1/6 or 1, 2, 3/6 is obviously larger, okay? But really, you don't even need to use the picture. You can just use, they're both sixths, right? 2/6, 4/6, they're both sixths, so 4 is larger. Now it's a little different when the denominator is different, and we'll do that later. But right now, just when the numerators are the same, all you're looking for is the bigger number. 3/12 or 5/12. Well, 5 is bigger than 3, and they're both 12ths, so it'd have to be 5/12, right? Or if I have 4/10 and 4/10, well, they're both 4, they're both 10ths, so that's just the same. 3/5 or 5/5, well, they're both fifths. 5 is bigger than 3. I have 2/4 or 1/4. We did that, something like that up here. Well, 2 is bigger than 1. They're both fourths, so that's the case. Ooh, check this one out. 6/6 or 1 whole. What do you think? Well, what you want to think about is if 1 whole was 6, how many would it be? Well, to be 1 whole, it would have to be 6 out of 6. So whenever the numerator and the denominator is the same number, that means it's 1 whole. So 6/6 would be the same as 1 whole, equal. Nice, right? And then 3/3 and 2/3, same thing. They're both thirds. 3 is bigger than 2, so it'd have to be 3/3, okay? Or that would be the same as 1 whole. So that's it. Pretty simple lesson. So you're just looking for whatever number is the bigger numerator. Now this will get a little more complicated than that, but for today, this is all we got. Take your time, rock out, get 100% today, and let's go for everybody full participation this week, and that would make my day. Great job. Keep up the great work. Have an awesome day.